Since Mohammed Morsi's ousting in July 2013, many of his allies in the Muslim Brotherhood have been sentenced to death following speedy trials. But his trial has taken much longer. More than 50 court sessions have been held in 18 months.
50 sessions are a lot in the norm of Egyptian justice. The judge allowed all parties to speak their mind. The prosecution has a strong presentation. The defense tried to stress on the flaws of this argument. So this was a normal trial. The result of this argument will be the judge's call.
Dozens of witnesses testified, including the former Interior Minister and the Chief of the Presidential Guard. The prosecution accuses Morsi and 14 others of abducting, torturing and killing opposition protesters in 2012. All the defendants pleaded not guilty.
The judge will either announce a recommendation or a verdict. He can announce a recommendation of death that would be sent for the Grand Mufti approval. Any lesser verdicts will be a sentence. Morsi could get the death recommendation. The evidence was very strong against all defendants. The crime was recorded visually with audio as well. But there are other defendants in this case who were present on the ground and actually committed the crime.
A death sentence could fuel violence. 10 days ago, confirmation of the death sentence for the Brotherhood's spiritual leader was followed by dozens of bomb blasts. And ahead of the verdict, Morsi supporters have protested violently at Cairo University. It's going to be the first verdict Morsi faces, but not his last. There still are 2 more possible appeals in this case. Morsi is also facing more serious accusations in other trials. On May 16, the verdict in fleeing prison will be announced. And he's also accused of espionage in 2 other cases. Adel, Mahrouky, CCTV, Cairo.